What up, y'all? It's Q. Welcome to another episode of Stupid for Life. You ain't seen me in a bit, but I'm trying to have something to be able to show. But I got a couple sales so far. Hopefully this is gonna be a good thing, and I start picking up on sales. But I got some more stuff. I'm gonna show y'all in a bit, but knock these little sales out. The first thing that sold was a Sony CDP CE315. It's a 5-disc CD player. I got this I picked this up from Goodwill, and I got this for $9.99, and this sold for $39.99. Hold on, I think I'm wrong. Yeah, so for $39.99 plus shipping. They paid $14.91. So altogether paid out for the shipping is $12.43. The next item I got here, this is an Aries Touchstone. Pretty much it's a router. I got this out from an online auction with it was an electronics lot that I got from with a whole bunch of routers and stuff that I paid $23 for some change, and end up making a lot of money from that one little $23 haul. But sold this for $15.99 plus shipping, which the buyer paid $20 because I switched it. It was originally a higher price, but I just thought what would have happened if I just switch them around to charge a lot of shipping and a smaller fee. But I forgot I even did that, but it's been sitting there for a while anyway. Actually, I think I had that. No, it hasn't been sitting that long, but yeah, I tried it out. I guess it worked. So they paid $15.99 plus shipping was $20. And I didn't. It came with the electronic slot, so pretty much everything is pure profit at this point. Well, been. So I got the next thing coming up here is the Sony CDP CE315. It's a 5-disc CD changer. I got this from Goodwill that I picked up, and the buyer paid $56.99 for it and $41.70 as far as shipping. And I've got this from the Goodwill and paid $20 for it. So it's a nice little investment. Got $37.33 profit because shipping ended up being $28.34. So that's a good deal there. I got next here is a Belkin DB25 router, 2-port. I don't know exactly. I forgot exactly what this was, but I have it already. Well, sitting in that yellow envelope down there. I gotta ship that off, but buyer paid $7.99 for it plus shipping, which is $8.25. Yeah, $8.25. And for this, I actually don't even remember where exactly I got this from, but I think it's from the electronics lot, all that stuff that came with it. So I'm gonna say that's where it's from. So this is still pure profit. So $8.25 they paid for shipping, end up coming out $7.64. So that leaves me with $6.21. So it's pure profit. That's a couple of extra dollars tagged on. So that's pretty much it as far as the sales that I got. Hopefully they continue and keep going. So, but let's go ahead and move on to let y'all show what I have got. Alright, all this stuff you see right here is just scattered on the floor, but they all kind of came from different places. This right here, I don't know if I told you guys about this or not, but I got this for personal use. This came from the online auction. I think I paid $30-something for it, and yeah, so plan on hopefully maybe using it to rebuild those shelves that I got in the back. So that's that. I picked this up here from a garage sale for $5. I got this pretty much just for me to use for down here. But I think I'm eventually end up just selling it because I see on eBay they're going for about like $80 or $70 or $80, I think. So I didn't know that, and I may end up putting up a sale after I use it for a bit. But this got this here from a garage sale, the same one, and the lady had a couple of these pneumatic air nailers, and I picked them all up. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and they wanted 10 a piece for all of them. Plus, no, I got this too. Just I ended up seeing it at the end, but in the basket, which would take, I think, 45 for all of these. Plus, it was something else. It was this, and I think it was one more other thing. Oh, I got it listed, but I think that was $3. So with all that, I ended up probably would paying 60, 65 or something, but end up getting everything for 45. So I'm gonna get these listed, and I think I'm gonna just do these individually instead of a lot, so and see what happens from there. But this here got from a Goodwill, paid $4.39 for. I believe this was going for, I want to say $25 to $30 on eBay, and I got this here that I paid $3.29 for at the Goodwill. This is a wax warmer, and I believe this was selling on eBay for probably between $25 and $30 also, maybe a little bit more, but I think it's around that range. This here I paid $7.99 for, and this is a vacuum sealer that works, and I tested it out, so that's a $7.99 investment, and I think I'm going to probably sell it for about $50. This right here is a VHS rewinder. I just picked it up just because it was $1, and I didn't even look it up when I got it from the Goodwill. No, actually, I got this from a garage sale. I didn't even look it up or anything, but I looked at it and it works. So let me see. I haven't even checked the sold comps on it yet, so it's gonna be interesting what I find. But only paid $1, so it's not a big, huge loss if it's not selling. But it's a good gain too. I got here the DVD player I got from Goodwill. It's a Pioneer DV410V. Has the remote to it. It works. Only thing I got to do to test it out now is just popping in the DVD just to make sure it plays. But for this, I paid $9.99, and I think they're going for, I think this might have been about $50 to $60. Could be wrong, but I think it was up there. Got another VHS player. This for $9.99 from the Goodwill. And I looked up this model, and actually this is selling for about $59, I believe. And for $9.99 for $50, I'll take it. I just got to test it out when I put a tape in to make sure it works. But I'm pretty confident that it does. This here is paid for $4.39. This is a Sony, another DVD player. I kind of like getting these DVD players and the receivers and stuff like that, because they do sell. They just, some may not sell as fast, but they all do sell. Well, this here is a Wii board I got picked up for $10 at a garage sale. I haven't tested it out, but they said it worked the last time I used it, so I mean, I'm still have to test it just to make sure. But I'm not really too hung up on trying to get that listed that quick, because I might just hold on to it until I get some extra stuff to put with it, but we'll see. And last but not least, this is what I picked up today from the auction. This is a Portaline, one Portaline precision drill guide. I picked this up. Well, not picked this up, but I won this auction for $9.56 here, And for everything else that's in this box, it's a bunch of porcelain bells. I don't know why I just bid it on it, but I think I did because more so is the quantity of it, but also to test out if this could be a potential something I could maybe look into that nobody probably may not be looking into. So once I get these all in and listed and looked at, because I'm gonna do these individually, and it's supposed to be like over 160 bells in here. So I'm gonna have to go through each one and list each one. I'm gonna do all individually. Just in case of, I might not if it's duplicates, but yeah, let's see, looking at this, I'm gonna have to go through all these because some of them don't even have the thing to make the sound, but I'm still get them listed if they don't. So I'm gonna find which ones that probably don't have the little bell thing to make the sound, probably put those all in one listed by itself and sell those as is. But it's gonna be interesting in what's going on with these. Well, y'all, that's it. Everything that I got. Oh, I never even told you what I paid for these bells. So I paid $57 for these bells, but after the 12% premium and plus tax, came up to $68.15. So if I add this up and let's see, I go to 68.15, and it's supposed to be about 160 bells, maybe more. I don't know until I check, but about that 160, end up paying pretty much 43 cents per bell. So sell them individually. So I mean, depending on if I can find them or what a high price on them, I mean, it could be ranging from 8 to, I don't know, 20, 15. Hopefully I got some gems in there, but if not, it's all good. But I'm gonna get them all listed. They'll eventually get listed slowly but surely. That's it for me. So that's it. Stay tuned for the next time or something like that. But anyways, like I always say, learn from your mistakes, stay tuned for life, and everything will be alright. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace.